Anyway, we are doing the brake bleed here on this Ford Taurus X, and I use the Liquivac device, which is just a brilliant little thing. And it comes with a hose, and then you have to install a little bit smaller hose to get onto the little nipple there of the bleeder screw. But it holds its own vacuum, so you just pull on that knob on the back and it'll start vacuuming, sucking it out. And then you make your way up to the front of the car. Make sure you keep adding fresh fluid to the master cylinder, because you definitely don't want that to run dry, because then you'll be causing big problems getting air into your system. But yeah, this little guy here, see it bringing the fluid through? So easy. So easy. You can use this little guy on any kind of vehicle that has hydraulic brakes. So you just pull on it, and crack your bleeder open right there, and fluid comes on out. Totally awesome. And make sure you get you one of these little guys. This is a brake fluid tester. There's different brands out there, but this happens to be a Mac Tools brand, and it's electronic. So you push the button, and then it has a little readout here with LEDs. You take these two probes here and stick it into the fluid in the master cylinder, and it will give you a reading of how much contamination the fluid has. How dirty, how watery, that sort of thing. That way there's no guessing, because sometimes even fluid that looks pretty clear might still be contaminated. So don't always go on the color of the fluid. And just keep refilling up here. Still going. Anyway, this one's starting to look pretty good. Still a few more minutes, but that's my method now. After all my years of doing brake bleeds and hydraulic fluid bleeds, this one has been the ticket for me because it's so freaking easy. I never get any air in the line. I don't need a helper or anything like that. You can do it by yourself. So freaking easy. And that's that. Anywho, check out our other videos. We've all got stuff going on. We work on cars and motorcycles and dirt bikes and little ATVs and motocross bikes, Harley Davidsons, classic hot rods, older trucks, lawnmowers. We're always messing with stuff. So like, subscribe, follow. You might see something that may help you in the future. And we hope that's what happens. So y'all have a good day, and we will see y'all later.